Just wanted to show you guys a type of plant I have in my garden that is hardy in our zone 8B/9A here in the Pacific Northwest, British Columbia, Canada. This is called a Schlefera taiwaniana, otherwise known as an umbrella plant. There's like 500 species worldwide of Schleferas, but only a handful are hardy enough for USDA zones 7 to 8. And this is one of them. Schlefera taiwaniana is one of those hardy types that are able to withstand temperatures down to -10 Celsius. It's native to Taiwan, and it grows at high elevations and eventually attaining a height of 4 meters. They benefit from a sheltered spot and part shade with protection from the wind. Under a taller plant or a tree is ideal, like I have it here under this windmill palm that will eventually get much taller and provided with some protection and shade. They send out a new flush of leaves in the spring, which are palmate in structure, initially covered with short tan hairs, eventually turning to a dark green like they are right now. After the flush of new leaves, they shed the older leaves as they grow. The stalk grows taller and they can divide after the plant blooms, often in the late summer or on mature plants. You can see the stalk here is about 48 inches tall currently, and as it grows taller it will shed these lower leaves and grow vertically till it blooms, and then it might divide into another branch. Let me show you another species of Schlefera I have in the yard. So this species is called Schlefera delevayi, and it basically has bigger leaves than a taiwaniana, and it grows a bit bigger, mostly wider, and the leaves get much larger than a taiwaniana does. The species is native to China and Vietnam, and it's characterized by a very thick indementum on the emerging leaves, and then eventually they turn a dark shiny green like they are right now. There's a lot of variation in this species, and the leaf shape may differ somewhat, and the size of the leaves may differ as well. They do tend to grow faster and bigger than taiwaniana, and they like mostly full shade but can tolerate part sun. They are a touch more cold hardy than taiwaniana and suitable for zones 7B and up. These are great choices for our climate zone here, 8A, 8B, 9A, Pacific Northwest, British Columbia, Canada. They're very cold tolerant and also tolerant of the rain, which we get a lot of in the winter. If you look really closely at this plant, if you look right in the middle, you can see there's some flowering stalks coming up. So this plant's going to bloom, and most likely after that stalk is finished blooming, it will branch, and this plant will have more branches as it matures. Anyways, that's it for now. Give this plant a try. They are really exotic looking and great for a tropical garden. Have a great day.